Advancement in technology has changed the very lifestyle of everyone today, be it young or adults. All have been addicted to various technologies for smaller to bigger activities. With this kind of mechanical habits and addiction to technical gadgets, people have reduced their brain usage level, which has led to various brain disorders. Memory loss is one such increasing problem even with youngies today. This is a serious problem requiring much attention to be given at the early stages. So, welcome back to Desi Grandma Tips. Today, we will see what measures we can take to overcome this memory disorder. Friends, starting your day with yoga can give a big boost to your brain health. Working on various asanas like Padmasana, Sarvangasana, Paschimottanasana, Halasana, and Setubhaddhasana helps relax your brain, improves blood circulation to your brain, relieving from stress and anxiety. Practice pranayama such as deep breathing, Bhramari pranayama, and Anulom Vilom. Are you wondering how pranayama can boost your memory? This is how. The humming sound and vibrations while doing Bhramari helps calm the mind. Anulom Vilom increases concentration and sharpen memory. It actually activates the parasympathetic nervous system. Oxygenation improves and relaxes the mind. Regular practice of Gyan Mudra for 20 minutes daily increases air element in your body, boosting memory. Try to connect with nature as it heals and calms your mind, resulting in healthy brain functioning with better cognitive skills. So, having known how yogic techniques helps you in boosting memory, we will see what you need to have in your diet. You need to add certain foods in your diet chart. Now, I am going to share 8 memory boosting foods that you can munch on. The first powerful ingredient is Brahmi. Brahmi is the king of brain functioning. It increases dendritic length and branching, which are parts of brain nerve cells that are responsible for learning and memory. Chewing on Brahmi leaves daily helps in reducing cortisol secretion. It contains compounds such as bacosides, betulinic acid, types of terpenoid saponins responsible for perfect brain functioning. Bacosides enhances nerve impulse transmission and repairs damaged neurons, which play essential role in promoting healthy brain cognitive functions. Best way to consume Brahmi is in the form of tea along with pepper and honey. It can also be added to other food items. Else, having Brahmarasayana daily on empty stomach also gives effective results. You can find the link in the description box to buy it online. If you are new to Ayurvedic products, then consume it on alternative days as your body has to get used to it gradually. The next two most powerful ingredients among dry fruits are walnuts and almonds. Walnuts are high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It is enriched with alpha-linolenic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, flavonoids, phenolic acid, melatonin, folate, vitamin E, selenium, juglone, and proanthocyanidins, which are responsible for maintaining strong brain health. Having these many rich sources, it has the ability to boost your memory power. Likewise, almonds enhances levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for strong memory. It is rich in protein that repairs brain cells, B6 that promotes brain health, and vitamin E that slows down aging of brain cells. So soak around 10 to 15 almonds for an hour and consume it. Else you can also prepare dry fruits laddu without sugar and consume it daily. Among fruits we have berries and blackcurrant. Berries are known to boost brain activities. The rich source of antioxidants and it prevents damages in brain cells. High levels of anthocyanins found in berries prevents inflammation that reduces memory loss. How it actually works is, it changes the pattern neurons communicate in brain, improving cognition. Having a cup of berry helps easy blood circulation and memory levels. Among its varieties, blue and blackberries are must-haves. Consuming blackcurrant increases the production of neurotransmitter like norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin that regulates mental health and memory blocking disorders like depression, anxiety, and obsessive compulsive disorders. The next most powerful ingredient is sage. Sage is known to quicken the nerves and memory power. This is because of an enzyme called acetylcholine. It is rich in nutrients, especially vitamin K. 1 spoon of sage boosts 10% of daily vitamin K needs, facilitating stress buster and managing blood clots in brain cells. The apigenin present in sage stimulates adult neurogenesis, that is, generation of neuronal cells. Enjoy a cup of sage tea, which is a source of powerful acid compounds, resins, and flavonoids to boost your memory. The next most common ingredient is turmeric. The curcumin present in turmeric has the power to reverse any kind of memory disorder. It has the ability to reduce brain inflammation that's linked to Alzheimer's disease, that is a memory disorder, and depression. A quarter spoon of turmeric a day helps in increasing your memory power. You can add it in your tea or milk, whichever you would like to go with. Make sure you do not consume more than quarter spoon as it results in abdomen pain and jaundice. The final ingredient is white gourd. White gourd acts as a tonic in elevating memory power. It is a high pranic food. Drinking 1 glass of juice increases your mental abilities tremendously. Memory loss is mainly due to imbalance in Vata and Kapha dosha. Drinking white gourd juice daily brings both these doshas in balance. You can have this thrice in a week. Above to all these things, you need to follow certain do's and don'ts. So now it's time to check with the do's and don'ts to safeguard your memory power. Let's take a quick look on it. Minimize on sugar consumption, have adequate sleep, eat mindfully, hydrate your body with adequate water, give more activities to your brain, avoid junk foods, read books but say no to e-books. Minimize the use of cell phones, keep it away at least 1 hour before going to bed. Do not keep your cell phones or any other signal transmission gadgets near you while sleeping, as this damages your brain cells dangerously. Friends, few do's and don'ts may not feel favorable while you need to go with it if you want a healthy, strong brain. Hoping you got much benefits from these remedies. If you want me to make a video on any particular health problem, you can share it in the comment section. Thank you for your watching time. Think healthy, eat healthy, and stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on your views in the comment section.